a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is introduction. 1. Could you tell me your full name, please? This is Punky. 2. Does your name have any special meaning? Yes, my name has a special meaning. It was chosen by my parents because it is a combination of the names of two of my family members. It is a reminder to me of the importance of respecting and honoring my elders. 3. Do you want to change your name? I do not want to change my name because I have built up a personal identity over the years and I am comfortable with it. Additionally, I have family, friends, and colleagues who know me by my name and I do not want to create any confusion by changing it. 4. Have you ever changed your name? Why or why not? No, I have never changed my name. I feel comfortable with the name I was given at birth and it is a part of my identity. 5. Is your name important to you? Yes, it is because it is one of the only things that is uniquely mine and it has come to represent my identity. 6. Is it a common name in your country? Yes, it is a very common name because it is native to my country and has a particular meaning. The text of all questions and answers is in the description.